Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. Auto purge allows the operator to purge the gas system without holding the purge button or the gun trigger. Factory default is 30 seconds, but can be adjusted up to 60 seconds. This feature allows the operator to adjust gas flow at the flow meter if, for instance, the gas line is connected to a manifold-type system. Push the purge and the trigger hold button at the same time. Gas will flow for the selected time, allowing the operator to adjust the flow meter. To stop the auto purge, press any button or squeeze the trigger.